What's going on, everyone? This is Pikachu OTC from Simple Trade, and today in our spotlight we'll talk about the company CUBV, and we'll talk about the 1200% run in about 5 weeks, and we'll also talk about 300% run in only 2 days. And what's the story behind this stock? Let's get right into it. We go to the OTC markets, and as you can see right here on the company profile, you can see that the business description says that CUBV Beverage Company is in the process of changing its name and stock symbol. Also, you can see right here that there is the shell sign, meaning that the company does not have any active operating, meaning that they are probably looking for a private company or any other company to merge in this shell and take over. Now let's go to the Twitter account of the company, and you can see right here that on June 21st, the company tweeted that CUBV held a meeting of the board this morning, at which time it was decided to begin the process of interviewing and screening potential merger candidates. These candidates include inter alia tech companies in the biotech industry and software developments. So they are finally announcing that they are officially looking for potential merger candidates, and this was a very good news, and that caused about 80% run around here on June. As you can see, these 3-4 green candles right here. Now let's jump in on what happened right here on July 20. On July 20, the company delivered a bomb, tweeting the following: CUBV has begun negotiating with a developer of lithium extraction technology designed to absorb lithium from brine resources. The company's technology is based on the ion exchange theory that facilitates the production of lithium from brine resources with minimal cost. So the big news in this tweet is the word lithium. This is a very hot sector, and if there will be a lithium company that merge in CUBV company, it'll be huge, and that tweet alone got the share price to go 300% in 2 days. You can see it right here, July 20, July 21st, with massive volume coming in. Now let's talk about what happened here on August 27th and August 30 that got the stock price to go 340% in 2 days, with massive volume, massive green candles, massive buying power. And the reason for that was the following. You can see that on the Twitter account of CUBV, they tweeted Lithium Lilac Solutions lithium extraction. So they just posted the website of this company that called Lilac Solutions, and as we go to the company, you can see that right here they are in fact working on lithium. They're saying that they are growing 40% annually on sales. They are saying that the lithium will remain in high demand for decades. So they're saying very good stuff about the lithium, and you can see that this is an operating company, and that might indicate that this is the company that CUBV is merging with. So as of today, this is still just a speculation, because why else would CUBV tweeted that and reference for their website if they are not merging in? Now, it's important for me to emphasize the fact that this is still just a speculation. It is not formal, it is not official. The company did not release any 8K or any official news about this merger coming in. But it looks good. It looks good, the direction of the company, the fact that they have already merger candidates, and that maybe this company right here will be the company that is merging in. And that was the reason for this wonderful 1282% run in about 5 weeks. If you entered right here on July 20 from the first tweet saying that they are interviewing merger candidates, you could have made this whole run of 1200%. And if you did not see everything and you were not patient and you just saw the last tweet, well, you could have made 340% in 2 days, which is absolutely insane. You can only see this kind of stuff in the OTC. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like, comment down below, tell me what your favorite stock is, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification on so you don't miss any other future videos, and of course, and as always, join our Simple Trade Discord community.